Hi there, students. A spoof, a noun. To spoof, a verb. And even spoof as an adjective. Okay, I think the first meaning, we have various different ones. A spoof is something that copies the style of another work, but it's meant to be funny, it's meant to be humorous. So you have the horror movie, but you could have a spoof horror movie where they use hyperbole to spoof horror movies. So that the house on the hill with the black, in the dark with the lightning, yeah, and the creaky doors and the strange butler answering the door. Okay, it's a spoof. Or, for example, the show Not the 9 o'clock news spoofed the 9 o'clock news. Okay, so a spoof, a satirical imitation of something that sends something up or somebody up, a parody of something. Okay, so it's quite light. It's not meant to, a spoof is not meant to insult or hurt. It's just meant to be funny. You can also use a spoof to talk about a practical joke, a prank, a hoax. So I sent my friend a spoof letter telling him that the police wanted to interview him and please would he go to the police station tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay, that's a spoof. It's a hoax, a joking prank. Yeah. And then in computing, to spoof, to falsify, to pretend to be somebody else, to assume or emulate the identity of another user or device to get access to the system. Okay, so he's spoofing his IP. Okay, spoof. And finally, spoof is a game. Very often a drinking game or a game to choose. It's a bit like rock, scissors, paper, but different. In this one, everybody has 3 coins in their hand. And they put from 1 to 3 coins in the other hand. So they put their hands behind their back and choose 1, 2, or 3 coins and put them forward. And then you have to guess the total number of coins. Yeah? And that's the idea of this. Okay, this game spoof. Okay, let's see. Originally, the word spoof was coined by an English comedian called Arthur Roberts. And he used this as the name of a card game involving tricks and deception. This is about 1920, something like that. Okay, but I think most commonly a spoof, a parody, a satirical imitation of something. Yeah, they are lampooning it. So he did a spoof on the Prime Minister. Notice, a spoof on something, a spoof on somebody. Yeah, there's even a spoof on me saying, hi there, students, and being a little bit clumsy with the camera and things like that. So, well, I quite like the idea of somebody trying to spoof me or lampoon me. I think that's a very... made me feel very good. Okay, so, yeah, a spoof on the life of the stars, a takeoff, a caricature, a send-up, yeah? A spoof letter, make somebody worried about something or believe something, but in the end it's not real, it's just a spoof. And then you could play spoof as well, or you could spoof somebody's IP. Not the nicest of things to do. Okay, so a spoof, to spoof. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it, no, wait a second, formality. I think I would probably give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use this definitely in an informal conversation, and I think you could probably use it in something semi-formal. Spoof in something very formal? No, I think I might want to use the word a parody or to copy or a hoax, something like that. So now I'll go back to the end bit. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Spoof.